Okay, so I will explain the another set of relational operators, and this time we will talk about not equal operator. The symbol of not equal operator is this exclamation mark and equal. This means that not equal to, as the name indicates that you are trying to compare two values if they are equal or not, and then the result is true if the values are not equal. For example, if we have two variables and A equals to 5 and B equals to 5, then since this is a relational operator, we will have a Boolean data type C that will hold the result of the operation not equal so that we can display the result of the operation and the result is false. Why? Because A is 5 not equal to B which is 5, so therefore it is not true that A and B are not equal, so that's why the result is false. In not equal operator, the not equal operator, there are two variables that we need to compare. In this case, we have variable A and we have variable B. And if we're going to apply it in an operation, we will have a result that is either true or false. If A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 1 and the operation is A not equal to B, therefore the result is false because A it is not true that A is equals to B. When A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 1, so we will apply the operation A not equal to B, which is 1, and the result is true because they are not equal. When A is 1 and B is 0, A, which is 1, not equal to B, which is 0, and the result is true because A and B are not equal. When A is 0 and B is also 0, A which is 0 not equal to B which is also 0, the result is false because A and B are equal. So that's why it is not true that A and B are not equal. So that is the operation of the not equal operator. We are going to test that in programming, assuming that A is equals to 1 and B is 0. Therefore, the result is true. So when A is 1 and B is 0, A and B in the operation, of course, the result is true. When A is 0 and B is 0, so in this table, we have A and B are 0, the result is false. Let's try that in our program. The result is, of course, false. So that is how to use the not equal operator. You're going to check if the values are not equal or not. So next lesson, we will talk about another relational operator.